Hello, my name is Astrid Bentley, and today I'm going to show you this audio effect rack that I made. It's for making things sound more lo-fi, and I'm going to include a download link so you can get it for free. That'll be in the description. Here I have an example of what it can do. So this is before. And this is after. You can expand the effect rack with this button right here and see all the effects I use and see exactly what they're doing and what they're macroed to over here. First, I'm just going to show you with the guitar. This first knob is a digital drive. This drives the signal, but also compresses it a lot. So it's like a overdriven compressor effect. It sounds really good. And then the next one is dirt. This is just a little bit of noise on the high end to add like a hissing tape effect. Which brings me to the next one, tape detune. This is as if it's like a loose reel-to-reel tape detune effect. It's gonna modulate the tuning. See, it's kind of drastic. One trick you can do with the detune knob is sort of wobble it and adds this really quick stutter effect. It's pretty fun. By hitting A, you open up the automation mode, and then you can select the tape detune option, and then you can do these little, these little wobbles, and they sound cool. Next is sample rate. This is just a down sample knob. It reminds me of a McDonald's toy, you know? It's literally down sampling, lowering the sample rate. Very popular lo-fi effect there. Then warm bright. It's going to add more lows and mids, mostly low mids, to make it more beefy, round sounding. And then bright's going to cut them and make it more tinny, bright sound. And the next one is like a chorus, but I called it a chorus, but on here it's a doubler. Now to me, it kind of sounds like this stereo effect where the tape is sort of out of phase a little bit. It's really neat and definitely has a cool nostalgic lo-fi sound to it. I like it a lot. And now this is vintage drive, and this is a lot different than the digital drive in that it doesn't compress as much. As the signal gets louder, it becomes more driven, and that's much more similar to how tubes work. So it's just a cleaner drive. I really like it. It's probably one of my favorite effects on this thing. Yeah, and real quick, I'm just going to show you how I would do the drums now. Now, real quick, I can show you what I did to the drums here in this example. So it looks like what I'm doing here is I'm lowering the sample rate a little bit, adding a little bit of dirt, and then I'm boosting the drive. Now I'm getting a lot of sound out of the digital drive here. I'll show you if it was at 0. That's just compressing those drums down, and you can kind of hear all the little bits, the quieter bits. And then the vintage drive just to add a little bit more dirt. Now with drums, I would stay away from the chorus detune effects right here. Just so you can keep your stereo image clean, but there's no rules here. You can do whatever you want. Yeah, so I hope this was helpful. Definitely grab that plugin in the description. Hopefully you can find it useful and it's a great tool for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.